Hi, are you trying to get pregnant naturally and tracking your ovulation by those apps which are available online and still not getting pregnant? And you're wondering what is the right way to track your ovulation at home? So, hello, I'm Dr. Kalyani Reddy, gynecologist from Siliguri. Today, I'm going to tell you the best way to track your ovulation at home. So, you can do this by a simple urine test through a kit called as ovulation kit. So, this looks like this LH ovulation kit. So, you need to know your cycle length to start doing this urinary kit. For example, if your periods are regular, then the cycle length will be from the first day of your period till the first day of next period. And you have to subtract a number 17 from this number of days of your cycle. Suppose if you have a 28 days of cycle and then you have subtracted number 17 from that number, then you'll get 11. So day 11 of the period is the time when you start doing this urinary LH test. And if your periods are irregular, then you have to take an average of cycles of previous 3 months. And from that number, you have to reduce number 17. And from that day, you need to start doing this urinary kit. So, coming how to do it and when to do it. When you start from the day 11, the example which I have given, then you collect the urine. Which urine is best? Not the morning urine. The urine between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. you need to test. And in this kit, there is a quadrant where you have to put your urine. So you put 2 to 3 drops of urine and wait for 5 minutes and see the reading. If you see there is no reading is coming, that means the test is invalid. You need to check again with a new kit. If it is showing a single line, and that means this test is negative, and tomorrow you need to check again with a new kit. And if it shows 2 lines, that means you are passing LH hormone in your urine and the LH ovulation kit has turned positive and you're going to ovulate in next 24 to 36 hours. And this is the golden time when you should have the sexual intercourse with your husband or partner and maximize your chance to get pregnant. And if you've done this test for 7 subsequent days and still it is not turning positive, that means you're having anovulatory cycles and you need to meet a gynecologist to treat this anovulation and then try for the pregnancy. Thank you.